Ford's chief operating officer, Kumar Galhotra, just admitted that the company's reliance on automated quality systems, including artificial intelligence, hasn't delivered the desired results. In fact, they're rehiring 350 veteran engineers, some of whom are former employees, to get things back on track. This is a big deal because it shows that even a major company like Ford can struggle to make AI work in the real world. According to Charles Poon, Ford's vice president of vehicle hardware engineering, the problem was that they thought introducing artificial intelligence would automatically produce high-quality products. But that didn't happen. Instead, they're now using these rehired engineers, who they call gray beard engineers, to train younger staff and reprogram their AI tools. It's a pretty significant shift in strategy, and it's already starting to pay off. The results are pretty impressive, with Ford's CEO Jim Farley saying that the changes have contributed to hundreds of millions of dollars in cost savings. The company's also just claimed the top spot among mainstream brands in the J.D. Power Initial Quality Survey. So, what can we learn from Ford's experience? For starters, it's clear that AI isn't a magic solution that can just be dropped into a manufacturing process. It takes careful planning, training, and oversight to get it right. One thing that's often misunderstood about AI is that it's not a replacement for human expertise. In fact, Ford's experience shows that the two can work together really effectively. By pairing their AI systems with the knowledge and experience of their veteran engineers, they're able to catch potential problems before they become major issues. It's a pretty powerful combination, and it's something that other companies should be paying attention to. Now, I know some people might be thinking that Ford's struggles with AI are a sign that the technology just isn't ready for prime time. But I don't think that's the case. Instead, I think it highlights the importance of taking a careful and considered approach to implementing AI. It's not just about throwing some algorithms at a problem and hoping for the best. It's about understanding the strengths and limitations of the technology and using it in a way that complements human expertise. So, what's the takeaway from all this? For me, it's that AI is a tool, not a solution. It can be incredibly powerful when used correctly, but it's not a replacement for human judgment and expertise. And if you're a company looking to implement AI in your manufacturing process, you need to be aware of the potential pitfalls and take a careful and considered approach. That's the only way you'll be able to unlock the full potential of this technology and avoid the kinds of problems that Ford faced. Ford's experience with AI is a wake-up call for any company that thinks they can just automate their way to success. It's a reminder that there's no substitute for human expertise and judgment, and that AI is just one tool among many that can be used to drive innovation and improvement. So, if you're building with AI, take heed of Ford's story and make sure you're using this technology in a way that complements your human team, rather than trying to replace them.